Surah Al-Tariq, the shining star. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 17 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والسماء والطارق.
By the sky and by that which comes at night.
وما أدراك ما الطارق.
And what do you know about that which comes at night?
النجم الثاقب.
It is a shining star.
إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ.
Every soul has a guardian appointed over it.
فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق.
So let man consider that from which he was created.
خلق من ماء دافق.
He was created from a spurting fluid.
يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب.
It comes forth from between the loins and the chests.
إنه على رجعه لقادر.
Indeed, he is able to bring him back to life.
يوم تبلى السرائر.
The day secrets will be tested.
فما له من قوة ولا ناصر.
So he will have no power and no helper.
والسماء ذات الرجع.
And by the sky which rains frequently.
والأرض ذات الصدع.
And by the earth which splits open.
إنه لقول فصل.
Indeed, it is a decisive word.
وما هو بالهزل.
And it is not an amusing matter.
إنهم يكيدون كيدا.
They are carrying out their plots.
وأكيد كيدا.
And I execute my concealed plan.
فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا.
So give respite to the disbelievers. Give them some reprieve.